All right, so we have 5,000 kilometers on the car now, and to be honest, I've had a lot of trouble with the car. So one of the things that recently got fixed is I was coming back from work, going up a big, huge bridge. A big rock came and smashed my windshield. There's a big, huge crack right around here. But I had to get a new windshield replaced. I got the windshield at a really good price because it has the sensors and everything in it. So I paid $383 for the windshield, $200 to install it. That's fine. The hood got painted wrong, and we're still trying to fix it now with another guy. The hood strut was not installed properly, so I have to wait for parts for that. Another problem we had, and I know the camera's not gonna pick it up, but right here, there is a mark, a protruding dent, so it's coming outwards right there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. I don't know if you can, but there's a dent right there. I never saw it. When looking like this, you can't really see it. Actually, I can a lot now. Yeah, there's a small protruding dent right there outwards, which is a factory defect. The fender on this side was not aligned properly. These lines right here, they're still not 100% matched. This one's a little higher than the door, and this one's a little higher as well than the actual hood. But they undid some of the bolts here, and they got like a big flathead, pulled it back, and then tightened them back up. So it looks a lot better than what it was, but this was pretty bad. Luckily, my body guy at work that painted this hood saw that. But we're gonna pull up the hood and we're gonna see what the other issue is now. And there's only one hood strut working right now. That hood strut fell off, and they installed this as well. So this isn't right. Right here, this one works fine. They kind of butchered around here though, if you guys can see it. They kind of butchered that, but it works and it's fine. I can go get a new piece. But this didn't have the lock washer here. So since it didn't have the lock washer, this turns. So I'm gonna undo this, put this back on, and then when I get my lock washers, I'll take this whole part off and then put it back on. We'll just turn this a bit. We'll put the hood strut back on. We're gonna have to lower the hood down a little bit. Push that in, if it'll go in. There we go. So that should be fine for now, but that one's like perfectly turned and this one's not. Let's see how it works now. Why is it making that sound? So it's staying right now. This, I just don't want it to pop off, because I'm gonna drive, I can hear it. So that's fine for now until we get the lock washers in. I was gonna go ahead and delete this, but I'll just leave it for now. I wanna change the steering wheel, and I know we have to unconnect the battery, and then we have to make sure there's no power, and we have to stick it in the sides and all that. So I know how to do the steering wheel, I'm pretty confident. So we have to take the cover off the battery. Crap, I forgot, because this doesn't have an insert in it, doesn't have a cut, that I can't take this off. I think I have to undo the hood strut to be able to take the battery cover off. God, I totally forgot about that. Let's see if it can just lift up a bit. Okay, it should be able to lift up a little bit, just enough to take the batteries off. All right, so the battery's undone. Let's go see if we have power, just to make sure. Okay, we have no power. Now I know there's two holes, so we need to get those holes undone. Holy crap, I finally got it off. I had to find another Allen key, it took me forever, but I've literally been at this for like an hour and a half. Like, my thumbs are just ruined right now, but I finally got it off. Now we need to go ahead and disconnect these little clips here. So I think you just go straight up and they should slide out this way if I'm correct. I should probably be taking a photo of this actually too. There we go. So the airbag's now out. And then what we need to do now is take a picture of the controls, and then we need to undo this and it should slide straight out. And then we need to take the Torx, undo these. That looks sick once it's on. this back on. Hope I didn't lose any screws. Whatever. There we go. I should probably do this one next. That looks so much better. Oh! I didn't tighten it, dude.
You didn't even put the fucking nut on.
Oh my god, dude. Are you serious? This is the hardest part for me to take this friggin' thing off.
I'm like, why are you pushing that thing?
Why didn't you say something?
I didn't know you were trying to like lock it in place. All of a sudden you were just like, and I'm like,
New mistake. Whoops. I got so excited that it was on. I just wanted it to go.
He just fucking eats it on there.
I don't fucking know.
There you go. Look at this guy.
That feels, dude, it feels totally different. And it looks good too. You can't really tell it's bumping up a little there. That's
nice, yeah.
This feels totally different. Is that center right there? It has to be.
Yep, that's center.
Yeah, they lined it up right. Yeah, that's weird. That feels so weird. It's so thick. It's like upgrading your girlfriend.
That's
right.
a race rocket.
You don't notice, like, people won't notice them, but I know they're there. That's why I want them. Like, it just goes with my theme. Like, I don't want too much stainless steel or like aluminum or anything, but I want it sometimes. And this is one of the things I wanted it on. Uh-oh.
What?
I don't have power in my car. Hopefully the battery's not dead from leaving the door open for so long, turning on and off the car. Dad, you wanna come see the steering wheel? It's on.
No point for storing it.
Yeah, I don't know. It looks sick. Sit inside. Go, sit. You're wearing a Mustang t-shirt, you don't even sit in the fucking car.
Cool.
Sit in it.
No, that's fine.
Sit. Then why are you wearing a Mustang t-shirt? Why don't you sit in the car?
It's free.
Hey, give it to me, I'll wear it.
You wouldn't have bought it.
Yeah. Right. This feels so tacky. Like, what? I can't believe I was driving around in this car with this steering wheel. Like, what? This, like, it's not even acceptable. Like, comparing the two, this is disgusting.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I'd make sure that worked. Wow. Yeah, I like this a lot more. This, I don't know, this just feels like very cheap. Like, that feels heavy duty.
That's a nice upgrade.
It's like night and day.
Catches the eye too.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, boy. Whoa. I don't know if I can drive with this. I'm being serious. I don't know if I can drive.
With what?
The steering wheel feels so weird, dude. No, I'm being serious. This feels weird. Dude, this feels so much better. Holy crap. This feels weird. I'm not used to this. Like, on the carbon fiber parts, your hand just slides through it too.
Oh, never mind. I was gonna say grab some pop.
That feels so much better.
Alright. Well, whatever, it doesn't matter.
Oh, the top, though. The top's nice though, because my finger always sits like this usually. I like that.
That's a nice grip for turning.
Yeah.
So you can just grab it and just whip it.
Was this a good purchase? Yes. Yeah, this is definitely a needed upgrade for your car. You definitely need to get this.